guys, welcome to another beautiful day in St. Petersburg, Florida. As you can see, the clouds and the palm trees are absolutely beautiful. So come around with me and you're going to find out what we do today. Hey guys, about to head over to Maximo Park and enjoy the vibes over there. I feel like just cooling out, you know, and being a local. So I'm going to take you guys along. If you're new to Life with Marlene, hit that like, subscribe, and let's head over to Maximo Park. In 1843, this park was built by Antonio Maximo Hernandez and thus given the name Maximo Park. Hey guys, I'm here at Maximo Park. I'm going to show you the beautiful view that we have in this area of St. Petersburg, Florida. So come along and enjoy this beautiful view. It's a beautiful spring day. So let's see the view and look at everything. And you know, they say that this is a park, but for me, this is like a little beach for the locals too. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I love that you can go to so many different parks and beaches, and I'm surrounded by water, so enjoy this rest of this video, guys. As you can see down there, they have like a little place where you can go up and see a better view. Many people come to this area for fishing, boating, kayaking, canoeing, and nature watching. Can you guys hear that? Okay, here at Maximo Park, and I'm going to show you the beautiful view. We're going to look at the water and all of that, so come along. They laugh.